Welcome back to the channel, it's Game here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a keycard door for your game on Roblox. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so this is my keycard here, it's just very basic. So that's my keycard. You can use any keycard though, as long as the name is keycard. So if your name is not keycard, then you're going to need to change it to keycard. So this is my door here so far. It hasn't got any scripts inside, it's just two parts. One's the frame, which is just three parts grouped together, and then I've got a door in the middle, which is what the keycard is going to touch, and this is the bit where you're going to be let through. So the first thing you need to do is just insert a script inside of the door like this, and you just need to follow along, copy everything word for word, and make sure you get all the capitalization correct as well, to make sure it definitely works. Okay, so yeah, let's get straight into scripting. Okay, so the script should be done now. So when I said wait 5 here, this is just the amount of seconds between, like for how long the door is going to be open for. So once your keycard hits the door, then the door is going to be open for 5 seconds, and then after that 5 seconds it's going to close again. So you can change the 5 seconds to whatever number you want, depending on how long you want your door to be open for. So let's jump into the game and test it out. First, you need to put your keycard inside of Star Pack, so then you load it in the game with it. Okay, so just load it in the game, and if I've got my keycard in my inventory, and if I walk up to my door without a keycard, as you can see, it's not going to let me through. But if I get out my keycard, and then it's going to let me through, and it's going to close after 5 seconds. So if this video helped anyone see more, then make sure you like, subscribe, turn the bell to notify when that video comes out. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.